Don't lose your mind over someone who doesn't care about you. That person cheating on you or hate you, you end up losing your mind. You are overreacting. You are doing things that you are not supposed to do. You have to put yourself together than to lose your mind, especially that person, so that you are losing mind for them and they don't care. You know that other people, they want to see you happy. You are losing your mind over someone, that person cheating on you maybe different times and continues cheating on you, and you are losing your mind. So sometimes you have to take care of yourself, because you end up losing your life or losing something you can't be losing. So you have to put yourself together, or it's better even it's relationship, to leave that relationship. You know that it's not treating you well. Why are you losing your mind? Because you love that person. That's why you lose your mind. But you are in love with a person who doesn't care that you are hate or you are not hate, because other people, they don't care that you are hate or what. Especially when you are hate, you know that a person who doesn't care about you, who doesn't want you, even your hate, doesn't care. So don't end up losing your mind, or you are drinking too much. Other people, they drink too much when they have got stress, depression. They'll end up drinking too much. But we have got stress about someone who doesn't care about you. That person doesn't care that you are hate or what. So you have to put yourself together. If you know that that relationship, you are not okay in that relationship, it's better to leave the relationship early, because you end up losing many things, or end up losing your life about someone. Other people, guys, they are committing suicide to people. They don't care about them, because you are drinking poison for a person who doesn't care. Even you are dead, that person doesn't stress. They can live without you. You understand? So don't lose your mind over those people. You have to look at yourself first. Look at yourself, because not because of other person, because you say you can't live without that person, but when you are not meeting that, before you meet that person, you are living well. Why you can't live? You understand? So even its relationship is not good for you, that person is treating you bad, it's better to leave the relationship, move on with your life, leave that person, and you can be okay than losing your mind. Put yourself together. Other people, when they have got stresses in their relationships, they end up drinking too much because it's stress. When you saw other people, they are drinking, it's not about they like to drink alcohol, but it's about the stress they have.